Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You've got power and the remote ready. Now open Settings on your My TV. Once in Settings, move to the Network and Device area because Bluetooth options are grouped with accessories. Make sure the device you want to pair is actively in pairing mode so the TV can detect it. This prevents wasted searching. You're starting the process immediately to avoid extra steps, so navigate to the section labeled either Remotes and Accessories or Bluetooth, depending on your TV firmware. Once you're in Remotes and Accessories or the Bluetooth submenu, enable Bluetooth if it's off. This turns on the TV's radio and prompts a scan. Make sure you wait for the scanning animation and watch the discovered devices list populate. Some models require you to press Scan or Add Accessory. When you see your device's name, select it and confirm any PIN prompts. This completes the handshake between devices. If pairing fails, retry scanning after toggling the accessory's pairing mode. You should now see the accessory listed as connected. Test it by playing audio or using the remote functions. If the device doesn't appear or fails to work, restart both the My TV and the accessory, then re-enter pairing mode and scan again because soft resets clear temporary radio conflicts. Make sure your TV firmware is up to date, since manufacturers push Bluetooth stability fixes. Update from system about if needed. If problems persist, try reducing interference by moving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.